Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pay with Skrill Balance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. In the bottom side, as you can see, we have the home tab, the card, crypto, sports tab, and in the bottom right corner, the rewards. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and pay with Skrill Balance. So first of all, go to the Skrill website or open the Skrill mobile app and log into your account. And then click on the Send tab. When you click on the Send tab, select the option to pay with Skrill Balance. Enter the reception's email address, phone number, and Skrill account details. Enter the amount you wish to, of course, go and send. Then what you need to do after that is review the details of your transaction and confirm the payment. Your payment will be processed using the funds available in your Skrill account balance, of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.